I was in Dublin recently with the Columbus team for the Dynamics User Summit, and I bumped into my good friend Anders. So not wanting to miss the opportunity, I found a quiet corner for a quick chat about STEM, and this is what we discussed. One of the key challenges in the technology industry today is the shortage of young people coming into our industry. So what we've been doing at Columbus is to really go into young schools and to try to educate young people, starting from the ages of 10 and 11, so that they really understand what technology is about, so that they understand that technology is actually really exciting and is a huge opportunity. It's not a scary thing, there's nothing for them to worry about. And we're trying to educate them at a very young age. I think starting it young and being a role model and telling people and showcasing is really important.
The world we're in, technology is becoming a much bigger part of our life, right? And I think embracing that sort of technological advancement and seeing that there's a career around it as well is something that young people should do more of. And as you just said, we need young people to come in because we have this massive growth in our industry, and there's career opportunities like almost in no other industry, right? So if you come in, if you've got a passion for technology, if you understand a little bit of math, not all the dry stuff only, right? There's a great career opportunities. So if you're one of those people sitting out there, especially girls, because there's more boys than girls that we see coming in, and we want both, right? Saying, I want a cool car, I want a great house, right? This is an industry where you have almost guaranteed to get a job, and it's typically a very lucrative career to go after. So if you're passionate about technology, if you want a well-paying job, if you want a guarantee of getting a good job, this is a good path to take.
Absolutely. And as we see now, as the world goes digital and everybody's automating more and more of the roles out there in the business world, people need to look to technology and understand it. And so understanding that it starts with the maths and the sciences and moving in that way is really important. And I think having fun with it, they need to have fun with technology and they need to embrace it in a fun way, because then they'll learn, understand and embrace it faster and move in to our way of thinking as well.
I'll tell you my own son, because he was like, oh, math is so boring. I got him to start doing robotics in his high school, right? And they were building robots, they're competing with each other. All of a sudden he's all fired up now because he could see that all this math and physics that was a little abstract, you can see turns into something very real, very tangible, right? So I think it's really understanding what science, technology, education made, what it means in the real world. And as I said, technology is everywhere now, right? It's infused into our lives. And almost every job you need to have a certain level of technological capability, right? Or you almost can't get a job in the future.
And I think we need more role models. I think we need more men and more women role models to showcase this out there in the schools. And it's amazing what they relate to, and actually they get excited about lots of different roles within technology, whether it's a coder, whether it's a project manager, whether it's a consultant. It opens their eyes to all the different roles out there and the opportunities within technology. I really believe that we can all make a difference and be role models in our industry. Here are 5 ideas to get you started. Number 1, hold a family open day at your offices for the children of your employees. Number 2, run a STEM competition in your local school and donate a prize. Number 3, invite school children into your company to learn more, present to them and get hands-on. Number 4, run an after-school club like Scratch or create your own topic. It could be a one-off or a short block of 4 or 5 sessions. Number 5, donate old laptops. What may be out of date to you could be very useful to a school. We often all recycle after 3 years. They're still good quality. Together, we can inspire the next technology generation. And please do contact me if you want to learn from any of my experiences or have any questions. Just drop me an email at mhun@columbusglobal.com.